So today I woke up, I've done my exercise. I was reading my book just now. I watched 3 videos for my course. Obviously, I'll watch more in the day. But my point of my reason for doing this video is that, well, I want to talk about my business basically. I need a steady source of income. I need money, cash inflow right now in my life. I'm 20-year-old. I'm not a small kid. So what I'm thinking is I have a business already, TORIBANX Tech and Gadgets, making me an entrepreneur already. But for a while now, there have been no motion at all. So I thought of reading books to help me grow my business, but I said let me finish the book on habit forming. I'm currently reading James Clear book on habits. So when I'm done with that, I'll go into The Art of Persuasion by Budge. Yes. But this video is basically to talk about my business. Yes. So how will I grow my business? How will I develop my business? The phone business, and also learn a skill that will give me work, so I can be fending and earning for myself. Before I would learn crypto and learn forex and go into them properly, I need to be earning money. Like basically, I need to be earning money. So I really don't know what to do right now. I've done the gum, done the stash, I've printed flyers which I'm going to paste all around Uniben. What else again? I thought of Uniblog ad, but right now I'm fucking broke. I just have only 1,000 Naira to my name right now, and I'm in debt, 2,000 Naira debt. So let's just see how the day goes. Today I'll be going to, first I'll go and submit, I'll go and collect power bank. I'll go and submit that guy's clearance form for his final year. Then I'll go to Daniel's IT place and go and see what I can get for myself. I also check on my laptop so that I will just fix my laptop and start using it. Yeah, that's my plan for today. Then to learn more courses and to read more, basically. Then risk taking in my business. I just need to look into that. I just need to sit down and think about my business, like really think about it and brainstorm ideas that I can use and boost it and brainstorm things I can do. I just need to sit down and go back to the drawing board right now. So I'll be going back to the drawing board. Okay, now, take care.